Hey guys, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Give me 1 second, I'll be right back. Apple. So, thankfully, we took some profits on our QQQ puts after hours, but freaking Apple. Apple is the reason why we did not hit a 50, 100% play on these puts. We only got about 30%. So, let's see. 381.18 is major resistance on the spot. I'm just waiting. Now would normally be the time to go long with a 381.18 stop, but I am being a bit greedy. I want a retest of support. Let's go. Ivy is also going to be playing around with people as well. Ivy is pretty high, 47%. Everything that we're going to be taking today is going to be very, very light. This could easily just drop down. We're sitting at a level of support. Doesn't look that strong to me, but they're giving a support level to go long against. Yeah. Let's take SPY calls 381.3 stop. Let's see if the momentum continues up. SPY calls 381.3 stop. if they're gonna bring it up, I mean, this is the setup for them to do it. Hmm. 381.3. This isn't enough buying pressure. Obviously, support is holding. We need a big pop. We need a big pop within this minute or the next minute, or else this is going to be a really nice bull trap. That's what it's feeling like. There's not enough momentum to the upside. Big pop during this minute. We need it to break above high day. ranch barbecue. I saw last week someone was saying, you know, we'd fix the ice cream machine as well. So we're definitely gonna fix the ice cream machine. All you can eat burgers, fries. We'll give you extra food. You guys can bring the food back to your houses. It would be great. So definitely, you know, we're on your side, MMs. We're on your side. We really, really want everyone to eat. Make sure you guys are taking profits and leaving runners. These contracts are up almost $20, at least like 10-15% for everybody. Take some profits, leave runners, don't let it go red. You high of day on the SPY. MMs, you guys are going to get a lot of love from all of us. We're gonna give you guys you know, we're gonna support you guys in whatever way that you guys want. Yo. Take profits. He's up 20%. Now don't let it go red. But at the same time, you know, we all know how bad we want the ice cream machines to work. So I'm very I'm very happy that we can help you guys in that way. And I'm very glad that you guys listened, you know, to my my suggestion of letting it pop within that minute or the next minute. And I'm glad that it worked out. So yeah, now we just have to 2K in 1.5 minutes. Bro, that is crazy. Stop means stop loss. Oh man, there's people that comment on my videos that say the people in the freaking Twitch chat and everything are bots. That I made these accounts up and oh my god. They don't understand that we're on a journey together of McDonald's. So yeah, they don't seem to understand that. Contracts up. All right. Let's see if 382.40 can hold. Ooh, yes, 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 yes. All right, contract should be up like 30%. If you guys are holding one contract, get out and just move on. 12 minutes into the day, we got a nice little move to the upside. And yeah, I was just trying to be very, very patient. And today, for the rest of the day, we're going to be very, very patient. This was a nice 30% scalp. We're going to let these runners ride. But yeah, this move to the upside, like, basically should not really be happening. That's why these past 3 candles from around like 9:38 to 9:41 a.m. were not as big as they could have been. They weren't huge like big pops that we saw in the first few minutes. So that's really, really interesting to see what they're doing, though. They're rewarding. Yeah, man. Apple literally just saved the market. I'm gonna sell the majority once we hit. I'm gonna take profits on a lot. I'm just gonna let runners ride to see if as long as this holds above 382.30, I'm just gonna hold on to these. But yeah, nice trade. Oh, glad I sold. Let's see if we could re-enter. This would be a freaking... Ooh, this would be a very interesting point to re-enter. I really, really want to, but... This would be a very aggressive long. I don't really want to be aggressive at the moment. Next week there's going to be a bunch of craziness happening as well. We're going to get the federal funds rate Wednesday. We're going to have FOMC minutes. So this could just be another move to the... Who knows, honestly? Who knows what they're going to do? If they're going to... Yeah, it's going to be interesting. Let's see if we can get a... 1 second. It's... I don't want to go long here, but they're making us go long, essentially. Hey, bro, no one would be hating if you weren't great. Keep up that. Oh man, we have to go long. I don't feel comfortable. I want to wait to go long around 381.88. But on these like abnormal bullish day, it's not even abnormally bullish. It's just, it is sort of abnormally bullish, but they're not. Yeah, I'm not gonna go long here. They're basically like forcing us to go long here, but I'd rather be patient, not overtrade. So far for the week, what are we? 16 for 18 for scalps. The two scalps that didn't work, I re-entered like 3 seconds after I sold because they were just fake outs. And then we're what, 18 for 20 on overall for all the swings and all the trades and everything. The BABA and then QQQ puts. Should go short here, but don't really know if we're gonna have a lot of follow throughs to the downside, so would rather just wait for a dip buying opportunity here. Just made 929 and I'm in my first class at school. Nice. Yeah, you could see the price action is just very choppy. So when it is choppy like this, we have to go long at support and we have to short resistance. That small little red candle was almost a almost a $15 decrease in the contract price. So they're just playing around. They got everyone to be bullish, and then they dropped it back down. But they're still holding around the 618% fib of this big red this big green candle. You have to go long, but it's so disgusting. Yeah, pretty pretty weird price action that we're seeing. Everything is screaming to go long. Like, very clearly, it looks like normal to go long, but I would rather just be patient. I would much rather try to go long on like a breakdown to the downside instead of hoping that this level of support holds. It could, by all means, it could. We could make a new high of day, but I don't. Just a very ugly setup to go long. Still, I would rather it fall and then we could go long around 381.8. But so far, that pop that we had to new high of day and then we just ripped it all the way back down. Let's see if buyers can step in. Like, basically, I want to see like some weakness below 382.30, and then I want people to become very, very bearish. Once they become very, very bearish, then it'd be a much better opportunity to go long. People aren't bearish enough. There should still be more room to the downside. And I don't want to be a late bear and try to go short basically at support. So I would rather just let things play out. We're at support. They're telling us to go long, but there's clear weakness. So even if we do go up, it's just not a safe buying opportunity. It's definitely a shoot or shoot moment, but it's not. I'd rather not. There's no point. 'Imagine how many people got faked out going long as this high of day broke. And then right the next minute, right after that, they ripped it all the way down, and then they brought it down even lower than the low of that candle. Brutal. So rather wait. Hmm. 10 a.m. We just had some news pop off as well. Let's see how that data came out. Pending home sales missed by a mile. Some ugly price action. This is what I wanted to see. So I wanted us to break below levels of support. Maybe if we can have another candle. Yeah, very nice. Okay, let's see if now we can go long around 381.80. Talk to me. Talk to me. Honestly, we might have missed that long, but it's not strong enough to me to go long. So it is what it is. I'm just trying to be patient. From a risk reward standpoint, from the increase in the contract price standpoint, from how everything else looks. Let's see if this minute can change my mind. Yeah, I mean, just some ugly price action. I want another flush down before going long, to be honest. So from what I'm looking at right now, these pops that we're seeing are like deflated pops. So if they do bring it up on one of these like green candles, then sure, congratulations. But it's not worth it to me at the moment. I'd rather just be patient. So the reason why we didn't go short is because we would be late bears and we would basically be going short at support. So that's not safe to do. Even going long right now, it's not safe to do. I did want to flush down, but I want to see some buying pressure before we just blindly go long, you know? So that's why I was just being extra careful, patient. Mm-hmm. IWM made a new low of day. Still risky to go long. Ooh. We should. Hmm. should have taken SPY calls right there on that little drop. Mm. I was really not expecting them to pay calls that well, and I also wasn't expecting Apple to be up like 7%. I didn't think Apple had enough steam. Clearly it did. And then the other issue was they paid calls very, very well. Like abnormally well. So yeah, it is what it is. I was just being very patient. I wasn't expecting them to have enough follow through like this to the upside. And I don't bank on abnormal strength. That's not a good trading strategy. But price action wise, you know, in hindsight, the initial drop that I wanted down to 380.8 happened, but the pop happened very quickly afterwards. Then I was waiting for another retest of like 381.6, 381.7. We never got that. And then I just saw the contract premiums flying, and it didn't make any sense to me. So then basically, as we were consolidating between 1016 to 1024, I was expecting them to drop it back down to around 382 to get an entry point, but that never happened either. So it is what it is. But yeah, essentially the market is being held up, even with contract prices being propped up like crazy due to the buying pressure that we saw out of Apple. But yeah, basically the point of why I didn't enter was the contract prices were moving very, very well. They were moving way too well. Usually when they move like that, there shouldn't be another move to the upside or any move to the upside, but there was because Apple is getting a lot of buying pressure. No pullback. I wasn't expecting them to even continue it up as we broke high today. This is a lot of buying pressure. Very, very interesting. Why aren't we shorting this? Because this is a lot of strength. So much strength that I didn't really feel comfortable going long. But yeah, my thing is I'm trying to I'm trying to share opportunities that I think have at least a few minutes of continuation. I don't want to share trades that can only move for like 1 or 2 minutes. So this strength that we saw, I was not expecting us to be able to move for a few minutes. So that's why I was hesitant to share any of these opportunities or whatever, because I didn't think that they would be able to sustain it. If you're trading alone, then yeah, I mean, obviously you go long, whatever. But I'm streaming, so I've got to take that into account. But yeah, it was just really, really weird. Lots of buying pressure. I hope you guys did play to the long side and everything. That's good. But yeah. Mm. Mm. I mean, we had a good week, right? Like, freaking, we missed this whole move up, unfortunately. But yeah, it's what it is, man. We had a good week. Had to have had a good week. Like, yeah, we had a great week. Nice, man. That drop where we dropped to 380.8. It is what it is. I was just trying to be greedy, and that greed was basically 17 cents away. I wanted a retest of 380.8, but it's okay. I'll be right back. Yeah. Yeah, no, the worst part about it is that I was just waiting. We were waiting for it to fall during that entire accumulation before 10 a.m. We were just waiting for it to fall and fall and fall. But then that move, that rip to the upside was just too quick. And the contract prices were way too, they were paying out way too well. I mean, like, at the end of the day, we're 18 for 20 for the week. We're 16 for 18 on scalps. Live completely for free. So it is what it is. That sucks that we didn't get into this play, but it is what it is, honestly. Like, no one else is doing anything. No one else is doing anything like this. So it's like, once you guys, if someone starts doing something like this, then it's like you guys could, you know. But yeah, man, I hope this is helping, honestly. And for sure it is. Like, I'm just trying to share very, very safe, high quality trades. This wasn't a, this move to the upside was not a normal, sustainable sort of move. And unfortunately, that's why I didn't enter. Yeah, you could tell I just get very, you know, not upset, but it's like, damn, I wish we could catch all of them. But, oh well, better safe than sorry. But yeah, man, we took one trade, got 30% on it. This other trade could have been a big winner, but it is what it is. I'm not gonna overtrade. If you guys made money for today, I need to see some ones in the chat. It is what it is. Need to see some ones in the chat if you guys made money for today. everyone thinks that you guys are like fake profiles and you guys are like actual, like everyone thinks that like I created all of these profiles, and it's, yeah, so need to see some ones, basically show people that these are actual people. I'm a bot. I'm a robot. Yeah. Bot message dot output. God damn it. Please. But yeah, man. It's unfortunate. Could have made whatever, but yeah, well, next week will be good. I mean, this week was pretty amazing. I'm just, yeah, it is what it is. But yeah, I hope you guys try to understand my thought process behind these trades and why it's just important to be patient sometimes. Don't let this make you be more risky. Yeah, definitely not. Yeah. It is what it is. I'd rather not make money than lose it. So it is what it is. The pain of missing an opportunity is way less than the pain of losing money. So it is what it is. Yeah, man. Overall, had a really, really amazing week. I'm gonna look for more swings towards the end of the day. FOMC happens on Wednesday, and we will see what is going on. But yeah, patience always pays, man. I only take very, very high quality trade setups. Exactly. Better to make money than lose money. Yep. It is what it is. I'm not going anywhere. This is gonna be every single day for God knows how long. So yeah. Just Apple just keeps on making new highs. Oh well. Yeah. All right, guys. Honestly, like, yeah, man, love you guys. Hope you guys have an amazing day. Sorry that we couldn't, have like a huge green day, but we definitely had a green day today. And yeah, man, patience pays. I got a little greedy with wanting to enter a little lower, but it is what it is. I hope you guys had a good week. I know for sure that we had a good week. I'm going to post in the daily recap So I'd appreciate if you guys emoji'd or whatever on there if you guys made money, right? To show people that we're actually making money. This isn't cap. I'm not, the cap is slang for lying. So this isn't lying. We're legitimately day trading and making money. So yeah, it is what it is. Hope you guys have an amazing day. I'm gonna look for swings and plays later on in the day. And yeah. Have a good one. Take care. Love you guys. The Discord link is in the channel. Let me just post the Discord link. Post the Discord. Post it on the YouTube chat as well. Make sure you guys are following me on Twitch. Make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. I give daily recaps every day as well. And yeah. Yeah, the swings, I post them on Discord. But yeah, man, I mean, bro, what is this? What percentage is this? We had a 90% success rate this week. We had a 90% success rate, 18 for 20. But yeah, it is what it is. I hate the loss of today. Breaks my heart. How did you lose? Were you trading on your own? I post the swings in the Hamid Trades channel. I'm gonna play Modern Warfare 2 and have a good weekend. Whoa, what? Modern Warfare 2? The servers are still up for Modern Warfare 2? Do you play any video games? It's been remastered. No, I used to actually be like one of the top. When I was like 12, 13, I used to beat Optic. Before Optic, these guys became famous. I used to beat them in like 1v1s. In quick scoping and M48 too, I used to like demolish all these guys in quick scoping. And I was actually legitimately, I was like one of the best players in the world. But yeah, I didn't know that they remastered Modern Warfare 2. Yeah, I don't have time for video games. I would love to, but yeah. You think you still got it? Yeah, 100%. I used to play League of Legends a bit as well during like the first 3 seasons, but yeah, man, damn. Were you famous? No, I wasn't allowed to. My family didn't want me to pursue video games. I was also very good at Halo. I got invited to play I got invited to Las Vegas for some Halo tournaments as well, but I was like a child. And my family wanted me to become like doctor or an engineer. But yeah. Good times. Yeah, I mean, there's nothing else really to do in terms of trading. Miss Michelle asked to short now. It's risky to short. I mean, this is like a lot of strength. I'd rather try to short with like a 386 stop. If we hit 386 or maybe 386.60. Basically, I would want to wait for another leg up to go short, but you could definitely go short with a 386 stop and then try again with a 386.8. But yeah, you could. It'd be a risky short here, but definitely makes sense for like a quick. That's the issue, is that there's a lot of buying pressure. Yeah, it's looking nice to short. But yeah, I'm not going to. Yeah, oh well. Alright guys, I'm gonna see you guys. See you guys Monday. Make sure you guys get rest. Make sure you guys have an amazing weekend. We're gonna kill it again next week. And yeah, man. I love you guys. It's gonna be fun. So yeah, take care. Have a good one. Love you guys. Have a good one. Thank you. Thank you, Jay. Love you too. Thank you. Are you from Pakistan? Yes. Well, like my family's basically Paki.